Hi. In this part, we'll create a project in SAP Business Application Studio to develop an app, an SAP UI5 app. We'll create a project to connect an empty database, the HANA Cloud database. The instance of the HANA Cloud is or will be empty at the beginning, and also there will be no specifications regarding the entities. Everything will be created by ourselves. In addition to the HANA Cloud, there will be no other connection to other systems like a SuccessFactors or anything else. You can see what is the application look like, which we are aiming for. We have some fictional data from employees who have different skills, development skills, and we can search for these skills. The profile view is to demonstrate your own profile and where you can maintain your own data and adjust it in case of changes. The data in the input field is read directly from the database and is automatically written back when changes are made. So first things first, what is a dev space in the Business Application Studio? This is a full development environment that's created on the BAS for development, which provides you all the necessary tools you need and all the resources. At the beginning, you can define what tools and resources you want to have installed, depending on what you want to do in your project. But if you miss something, don't worry, you can always install it afterwards. There are many different types of dev spaces depending on what you want to do. For example, SAP UI5 or SAP Fiori. We will work in this project with SAP UI5. But also, for example, you can say at the beginning, want to use the SAP Build Work Zone for deployment. So after you deployed the app, it will be available in the SAP Build Work Zone if you use both services on the BTP. So this is also massive help. The structure of the project is predefined, so there is uniformity and it's clear across the whole development team. If all projects in your company have been created with the same structure, it's also easy to switch between projects because you always find your piece at the same area. And of course, it's also beneficial when it comes to maintenance. As you can see, setting up a new dev space in SAP Business Application Studio is very simple and clear because of the wizard at the beginning. This means the first steps are already done, completed, and now we can work with the connection of the database. So see you next time.